Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Hey, I've got another video coming at you today to help stock up your pantry. Hey, we've already showed you how to make a cannabis infused oil, a cannabis butter, a cannabis salt, cannabis sugar, cannabis ketchup, cannabis infused flour, a cannabis water soluble powder. Okay, you got a lot of different things in your pantry going on now. Today we're going to show you how to make a cannabis infused mayonnaise. That's right, huh? Cannabis infused mayonnaise. Chicken salad and tuna salad will never be the same now, will it? Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell to get future notifications. And you want to share the channel with your like-minded friends. Maybe they'll make a nice infused dinner for you one day. Now we're going to get started off with one large egg yolk at room temperature. Room temperature. Don't use a cold egg yolk. It will not work. To that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of cold water. We're going to get our whip out and we're going to whisk this until it's nice and frothy. It's going to take a minute or so. After that, we're going to start adding our infused olive oil. We have 3/4 cups of infused olive oil, which is approximately 264 milligrams of THC. We're going to add just a little bit at a time. We're going to mix this with our hand blender, very few drops, a little bit at a time, until it starts thickening. Hey, if you don't know how to make the olive oil, you can check out our previous videos, which shows you just how to do it. Here we go. Once again, just a little at a time. We're going to mix this with the hand blender each time. You can start adding a little bit more as it thickens. But make sure that when you're adding, each time you add, there you go, you want to blend it in and mix it until it's creamy each time. Now this procedure took quite a few minutes, so get ready for a little bit of a workout, okay? After a while, you might want to hang on to that bowl. It's going to start sliding around a little bit as this thickens. The blending took about 10 minutes with the hand blender and the small glass bowl. Here we go. There's the last of our olive oil. We're going to blend this and whip it up till it's nice and thick and creamy. There we have it. Cannabis infused mayonnaise, approximately 264 milligrams of THC, which gave us 26.4 milligrams of THC per ounce. This is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. I hope you enjoyed today's video of the easy way to make an infused mayonnaise at home. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, and share with all your friends. Until next time, happy cannabis cooking.